So there are two things which we want to do. One is you should not be able to withdraw more than the current balance, obviously, right? So as of now, there is a bug. This is called defect. That is why the test engineer, they check it in all possible scenarios that things should work logically, business logic, how it is looking like, everything. So as of now, it is a bug that you are able to withdraw more than the current balance, and it is showing your current balance is minus 2000, which is illogical here. It should show me error message, insufficient balance. Correct. One more thing is when I'm withdrawing it, let's say I withdraw 1500 from the my current balance. I'm withdrawing from 10,000. I want to withdraw 1500. If I click here, now my current balance is 8,500. So here also it should change that your current balance is not 8,000. Sorry, 10,000. It's 8,500. So we have two tasks. Let's complete it one by one. First task is it should not allow us to um, put more value than the current balance. Correct? How to do that? So we have said calculate balance, that function, right? That is very important. So here we can put if else. So here we can say if this amount is greater than the current balance, correct? Current balance, then we will show a message, correct? So we can put bracket here and say what should happen when this is the case. So let me copy this. In that case, we will say document.balance message should be insufficient balance. Correct. So that message should be insufficient balance. Okay. That's it. First thing. Second thing is just a moment. Yeah. Second thing is the whole thing you have to put in else. The other thing means if the amount is less than cur balance, then it's fine, right? So we'll put it in else block. This particular thing will keep in else. It's a programming structure, if and else part. Okay. So else do this thing. If this is the case, then do this thing. If otherwise, do this thing. It's like this. Fine, fine. Let me delete this. It's very simple. But okay, let's see it is happening or not. So refresh this. So I want to withdraw more money than this. So I'll say 13,000. If I say withdraw money, it's saying insufficient balance. Perfect. It should say like this. Fine. Now, what I was saying that this should update, right? In positive case, so for example, if I draw 6,000, when I click here, okay, oh, I have to refresh it. Just a minute. So if I say 6,000, I want to withdraw. Okay, still it's saying insufficient balance. Okay, no problem. If amount is greater than, okay, is this, then this, there should be two messages then. I got it. Basically, you cannot use the same label for both the thing. One message is for balance message, and you have to create one more paragraph. Let me create it here. So we'll say this is error message. Hold on. This will be balance error message, and this is a simple balance message. Now it's fine. So in the balance error message, this one will come insufficient balance, otherwise balance message. Okay, let's see if it is working. Refresh this, and positive scenario. Positive scenario is 6,000. I want to withdraw. Click here. Oh, okay. Maybe because of the cache it is happening. Just a minute. Hold on. So new balance, it should go to the else part. That is for sure. We'll check whether it is going to the else part or not. Okay. So I'll say alert, and here say hi. That means when it's a positive case, when amount which you want to withdraw is greater than the current balance, sorry, smaller than. So it should go here, correct? And should say alert. Refresh this, and we will put 6,000 withdrawal amount. No, it's not going there. That is the issue. So I'm guessing that it is taking it as a string. We have to convert it to integer. I'm just guessing. So let's Google. Maybe one of the issue, right? Type of in JavaScript. So there is one thing you can print type of, means what it is as of now. Is it? Okay, I'll show you what I'm saying. Type of should be a function. So let me check. Type of function in JavaScript example. Type of function is there, but how to use it, I'm just checking. Type of example of type of, we'll say example of type of in JavaScript. Yes, I was talking about this, but it is going against the same place. It's saying object. Any other example? Any other example? Yes, I was talking about this basically. So type of, in the bracket, whatever you give, it will tell you what is the type of it, right? So basically, before I go here, let me print type of everything. Okay, so the syntax is simple type of. I'll say type of current balance. It should be string, it will show me, I think. And I want to print type of, type means data type. Okay, whether it is a numerical thing or string, that thing I want to print. How I can print? Will console.log will work? It should work. If it will not work, we will do alert. If it will not work, basically it should work. Console.log this. Okay, let's do that. Where is that assignment thing? Refresh, and we will keep 4,400, and we'll open in console window also. Where is console? Here, and I click here. Yeah, it's showing me a string. See here, 2 times string has printed. We have to make it numeric. Great. So let's make it numbers, because you can compare numbers with the numbers, right? You cannot compare like greater than like this. A string is greater than another string. We want to compare it as a number. Okay. So let's Google how to convert a string to number in JavaScript. I think it's like integer parseInt, something like that. Same as in other programming language also, there is a there is one thing. It's just type. I want to convert a string to number. So not this, not this. Number. No, 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 not this, not this. ParseInt. This is parseInt. Correct. ParseInt function you can use. How to use this? You can say parseInt and then particular quantity. Okay, let's try this. ParseInt in bracket that value. Perfect. So now in our code here, I will say parseInt means get that value but as a number. So parseInt in the bracket, the whole thing. Then here also parseInt in the bracket, the whole thing. And now we'll print type of. So basically it should print now number or integer, something like that. Refresh this. Let's put 6,000 here. Click on withdrawal money. Now it's saying number, correct? Now numerical thing can be compared. Plus means greater than, smaller than, equal to, and all. So here, yeah. Oh. It has completed, right? Yeah, it's showing you have withdrawn 6,000. Now it's working. Now our task is basically to change this 10,000 to actually 4,000, because you have withdrawn 6,000. So this value should change. So it's very simple. What we will do, same thing. So current balance I want to change. I want to change the value of this. So what I will say after this, dot value is equals to new balance. So the current balance will be changed as the new balance. That's it. Save this. Simple logic. Mathematics. Closing this, not required. Now let's do that. So my current balance is 10,000. I'll withdraw 2,000 first. I'll say withdraw money. Okay. See here, it is changed to 8,000. Now from 8,000, I'll withdraw more 2,000. It will say now it is 6,000. It's working. It's working. Now I will withdraw from the 2,000. I'll withdraw 5,500. So it is showing me that your current balance is now 500 rupees. Now from the 500, let's withdraw 570 rupees, which is not a valid case, correct? You cannot withdraw from your current balance 500 to 570. If I click here, it's saying insufficient balance. Perfect. But this message should not come, correct? So see how much developer does. We think very simply that this is working, this is working, this is not working. But see, step by step, lot of things they have to do. So now the thing is, whenever insufficient balance will come, there should be no what we say message here, correct? So it's very logical. When we show this insufficient this, at the same time, what we should do is, for the balance message, make it blank. It's possible. So we will say here balance message is equals to blank. Though there may be other ways, I am keeping it very simple. So whenever there is an insufficient balance message, the normal balance message should be blank. Okay, now it will work. Let's try this. Everything. See, as a good developer, as a good test automation engineer, you have to check your own code again and again, whether it is working or not. So here we will say, let's withdraw 8,000 as of now. Withdraw money. I'll delete this alert also, don't worry. Now it's saying you have withdrawn 8,000. Your current balance is 2,000. Perfect. Now from the 2,000, let's withdraw 2,300. I'll click on withdraw money. So it's saying insufficient balance. Perfect. It's working. So this is how JavaScript works, guys. Now we'll understand about how to keep this script outside the HTML. Okay.